Meow Meow presents
filling up the bathtub, time to take a bath. Bath time with my mommy always makes me laugh. And my yellow duckie swimming up and down. Bath time with my mommy's always so much fun. We will wash my tummy, we will wash my feet, we will wash my hands, and I will be so clean. Splashing all around and making lots of foam. I am not afraid of any sponge or soap. Shampoo smells so great. I will close my eyes, but I am not afraid. Shampoo smells so yummy, but I know it's not food. Oh, I want to taste it, but I should be good. Now we finished bath time, time to get me dry. Wish I could keep splashing in my bath all night.